Hi, I'm here to pick up my phone.
Hello, what is your name?
My name is Juan.
Okay, let me check. Oh, I am sorry, Juan. We could not feed your pony.
You could, I feel it's with not.
There is a big problem with the motherboard. It is too managed.
Oh no. What can I know?
You need next to bag, I next pony. We are wearing sorry.
Okay, thank you for thing.
You're welcoming sorry again. Hello, I am here to pit at my pony.
Hello, what is your name?
My name is Vilma.
Okay, let me check. Oh, I am sorry, Vilma. Will come fill your phone?
You got fixed it. Why not?
There is big problem with the motherboard is too damaged.
Oh no. What can do not?
You need to be a neat phone. We're sorry.
Okay, thank you. Your four times.
You're welcome. Sorry again.